Beat 12 is a bit more complicated. It's called the 16th beat. And in this case, you're going to put both your hands on the hi-hat. Now the best way to do this is to put both your hands on the left side right now, as you would on an actual drum kit. And then you go slowly, you count, and you realize actually there's 8 beats. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the snare. And what we're going to do is we're going to pretending that this is the snare now. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Difficult, I know, but we'll get through it. So quickly, it sounds like this. Now the next one is called the 16th of the bass. So I call it the 16th bass. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slightly faster, it looks like this.